Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese chow made with chicken gizzard and vegetable. The vegetable that I'm going to be using will be spring onion and red onion. I'm also going to be using capsicum and 1 carrot, and I'm also going to use about half a kilo of chicken gizzard. So let's get started. Let's go ahead first and heat up my wok, and then we will continue with the rest of the ingredients. Now in my wok, I'm going to first add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Next, I've added about 5 to 6 green chilies. If you want, you can add more. It depends on how much heat you can take. The more spicy you want, the more chilies you add. For me, about 5 to 6 green chilies is fine. And I've used spicy green chilies, so they're really spicy. Next, I've added my carrots, and I'm also going to be using a little bit of soybean paste. If you do not have soybean paste or fermented soybean paste, you can always add soy sauce to it. Alright, so I've fried a little bit of my carrot. Next I'm going to add my gizzard. This is how the gizzard looks like. Nicely cleansed. There you go. I've added my gizzards to the wok. Fry for a while and brown it for some time, and then add the rest of the ingredients. Once it has slightly browned, I'm going to add half a cup of water. Just half a cup of water so that everything mixes well. Now again, as I've used the soybean paste is already salted, which means there's already salt in that. Before my dish is ready, I'm going to taste my dish. Only if it requires salt, then only will I add salt to it. As of now, I am not going to add any salt to it because soybean paste already has salt. Next, I'm going to add, before I cover my wok, just about 1.5 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Again, if oyster sauce is not available, you can skip that. Otherwise, most of the Asian grocery stores now have oyster sauce available, freely available everywhere. So now I've covered it for some time, and I'm going to lower my flame and let it cook for the next 10 minutes. Be right back. So it's been now 15 minutes that I've kept this on low flame. Okay, so you can see how well how well the gizzard has cooked. Now to this I'm going to add now one medium-sized onion, which is roughly chopped. And my capsicum. I've added my capsicum and my onion. And I'm going to stir fry it. You will see that the onions open up, and when you eat the onions in the dish, it's going to be very crunchy. So as the capsicum as well, because I'm not going to cook them a lot. I'm just going to slightly, heat it up in my oil. See, they're opening up like this. Can you see them? They're opening up. And you can see how my sauce has thickened as well. My gizzard, it does not require salt because it's perfectly seasoned. And lastly, I'm just going to add a little bit of spring onions. Just a little bit. And here you go. We'll turn off the gas. Here you go. The gizzard is all ready. See how it looks, all cooked. If you like my recipe, please ensure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press the like button, and also ensure that you click on the bell so that you get further notification about my recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home and enjoy it with steamed rice. Thank you.